Whatever you do, don't buy this junk. Truth or not. Specifically, this thing I saw in an ad, the oil film removal cleaning brush. They always show it online. Like when you have that greasy film on your car at night on the windshield, that's supposed to be an oil film. And they always show that you do it like this first and then like that. And to prove whether that's true or not, since I've already bought this stuff before, I'm going to do the following. The things are inside. So these are the two things that are inside the bottle in the container, the refill bottle. Automatic open. Here we have the thing. Right away, this little sponge crisis because it was so dry. So, and then supposedly rinse with water. I think the Chinese really screwed me over. Nothing's happening, no way. Let's try again. Okay, I take this part, press it a few times and go along here to wipe. Let's see if it gates. Looks exactly the same. You can see it from the inside. Same greasy film as before. These liars. Now it's raining normally, but what do you see? It has zero effect. Definitely not this junk.